everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's a little bit different. I had an unexpected situation I have to deal with this morning, but I did want to hop on here real quick. But I have a question. We know that city water is, let's just say, contaminated. And since my husband and I have been drinking, of course I have a well, so I have well water, and we filter it, and I have frequencies running through it and all that kind of stuff. But so when we go out, the water tastes like crap. If we go to a restaurant or whatever, and I was never what I called a water snob before. Sorry for the light. Some people could taste the difference in water. I couldn't, but now I can. And my question to you, for those of you that are conscious of what you drink, how do you deal with the water when you go out? If you go to a restaurant and I'm not talking fast food, because obviously I don't want a soft drink. I don't, the tea is made with, and I'm not a huge tea drinker anyway, the tea is made with the same water. So what do you drink? Do you take your own? Or is there a better alternative? I mean, I really, honestly, I don't know. I thought about it this morning, and I'm like, if we go out to eat, which isn't a whole lot, but on a rare occasion, we'll go out. But because we went out, we went out with a group of people last week, and we got water, and the water was like, oh my God, this is horrible. So, and again, I apologize for the sun, but you know what? It's sunny. That's a good thing. It's a blessing. So what do you drink? I don't know. Let me know. Put it in the comments. Because I take my water with me everywhere I go. If we go on the motorcycle or wherever I go, I take my own water, because I don't want to drink bottled water. I don't want to drink, or I choose not to drink bottled water. I choose not to drink anybody else's water, because usually they're on a city system. So, and I don't want the fluoride or the chemicals or anything else that they put in our water. So anyway, that's it for today. Like I said, I'm curious. Let me know if you guys have a suggestion, or what you do. And the other thing, if it's something that you haven't even thought of, until RFK comes up with a plan, we need to put our heads together and come up with a solution to this, because we need to stop drinking the contaminated water. So anyway, have an amazing day. I'm sending you guys lots of love. Everything's peachy. Everything's fine. Just heading out early. So anyway, lots of love, and I'll talk to you later.